Ready for rebound. Number 8. Faster. David with 2 points. Number 30. Jongdong from Macchiatos. Number 4. Faster. Number 15. Number 15. Faster number 111. Foul. There's a whistle coming down. Number 11. Personal foul, 13 foul. For Macchiatos. Number 22. Take Jorge. There's a whistle. Number 11, second personal foul, second team foul. Baron Macchiatos. Number 4, intercept by Istor, intercept by number 111. But nakuha lang gapon niya. Nakuha ni block by number 2. Nani Roy. Nangita kabasahan. Pato Jongjong. Jongjong dribbling the ball. Jongjong. Ako na lang. Not good. Rebound by number 0. Number 22. There's a whistle. Counted. Good for 2 points. Number 22. First personal foul. 13 foul. 13 foul. Bonlock. Number 22. Bonus throw. Out of bounds. Cross. Number 10, Easter, dribbling the ball. Guarded by number 4, pass to number 11. Number 11, Roy Kiwarawara. But there's a whistle coming from who committed the foul. 0-0, Limosnero. First throw, not good. Second throw, ready for rebound. Wala. Second throw, red. Number 4, dribbling the ball. Pass to number 22. Number 22. Pass to number 4. Number 4. Pass to number 15. Number 15. Pass to number 111. Good for 2 points. 111. Triple one. Number 30. Pass to number 11. Roy Kipangka. Oh, but there's a whistle. Number 0. Limosnero again. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Second team foul. First throw, good. Second throw, ready for rebound. Good for 1 point. Number 11. Number 15. Pass to number triple one. What a move coming from triple one. 6-4. Pabor sa ZTZ. Roy dribbling the ball. K-spin. Pass to number 2. Good for 2 points. Number 2. Number triple L1. Teng Hohe dribbling the ball. Nangita ka ba saan? For 10 seconds to shoot. Number 15. 10 seconds to shoot. Intercept. Jongjong. Easy 2 points coming from Jongjong. Number 30. 8-6. Pabor sa Donok. 6 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Not good. Rebound by 0-0. Number Quezon. Block by number 2. But out of bounds, bola sa ZTZ 14. Second shot clock. Teng Hohe, a pass coming from Apaidindo to Teng Hohe. Number 30. Oh, number 10. Oh, there's a whistle committed by number 22. First personal foul. 13 foul, ZTZ. Roy guarded by number 00. Pass to number 2. Number 2, pass to number 11. Number 11, not good. Rebound. Whoop, out of bounds. Bula. Di na ko kita. Jongjong, good for 2 points. Jongjong. 10-8, Pabor. Sa Donok, 5 minutes. Ang and 10 seconds remaining time. Number 15, side step. Good for 2 points. Number 15, 10 all. Number 11, dribbling the ball. Good for 2 points. Roy. 10-12, favor sa Denmark. 4 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. There's a whistle committed by Jong Jong. Number 30, first personal foul. Warning for penalty, John Macyatos. Number 15, pull-up jumper. Good for 2 points. Number 15. 4 minutes and 25 seconds remaining time. 12 all. Jong Jong, nakita ka pa saan? Intercept by number 15. Number 15, Nambali. Behind the back pass. Tingnan. But not good. Iyan ang yapon. Blocked by number. But there's a whistle committed by number 2. First personal foul, penalty situation, Don Macyatos. First throw. Not good. Second throw, ready for rebound. Not good. Roy. Nangita ka ba saan? Roy, up to na lang. There's a whistle committed by number 4. First personal foul, warning for penalty, ZTC. 12 all. Makita, number 11, Gibade, but not good. Iyan lang yapon. Akto na lang. Whoop, out of bounds, bula sa Don Macyatos. Kickball. Shot clock 12. Intercepting here. Foul. Third personal foul. Penalty situation. Yeah, pull. First throw. Good. Not good. There's a whistle committed by Istor. Okay. Second personal foul, penalty. So this is second row. 5. Oh, bingo. Jersey number 30, dribbling the ball. Nakuha sa jersey number 11, passing away, out, ball. Oh, 1-1 din. Bula sa Denmark. Nang Istor. Pasa ni Roy. Niluso. 2 points by Roy. Jersey number 4, pass to Tingway. Traveling violation. Palayo gog atras dira sa tubangan dapit kay di kita. Oras 40 seconds remaining time. Kuan Tingway nilusot 2 points by Tingway. 30 seconds. 2. Who's foul rep? 11, 1. Rifle 1. First personal foul penalty. No good. second row. 1 point. 25 seconds remaining time. Tingui. Tingui, pass to triple 11, pass to 15. Travel and violation. 15 seconds remaining time. 14, 13, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Ang score, DC City 15, labaw ang ZTZ. Second quarter. Triple 1. Pass to number 4. For 2 points by number 15. Istor. Pass to Roy. Pass to Istor again. 2 points by Istor. Tyron. Tyron. Pass to triple 1 to Tingoy. 2 points by Tingoy. 21-17, labaw ang ZTZ. Bula sa ZTZ. Kwan. Dunmak. Roy. Foul. Number 11. Counted. First personal foul, first team foul, first.
Originality ba na pag-igunos ka ng napag-isisilahan?
First draw, no good. Time out, Dunmak. Time out, Dunmak. Tingohe. Nagdasa bula. Pass to triple 1. So, Tyron nang dribble. Pass to Tingohe. Niitsag 3. No good. Nakuha ni Estor. Wow. Foul number 4. Jersey number 4. Second personal foul. Second team foul. ZTZ. Roy, 2 points by Roy.
Imo ID nagdaka kay dito man.
Triple 1 to pass to Ipoy. Ipoy pass to 15. 2 points by 15. Number 2. Nakuha ni Istor. Pushing foul number 4. Shot clock 14. Third personal foul, third team foul, ZTZ. Number 2. Nakuha ni Ipoy, pass to Tingoy. 2 points by Tingoy. Roy. Bula sa substitution ZTZ. Sub. Ang score by 5-21. Labaw ang ZTZ. 7 minutes and 19 seconds remaining time. 15, 3 points, no good. Nakuha ni Roy. Pass to Istor nilusot. No good. Nakuha ni pass to Kulas. 2 points by Kulas. Istor nagdasa bula. Pass to Roy nilusot. 2 points by Roy. 27-23, labaw ang ZTZ. Kulas, pass to number 15, pass to Tyron. Shot clock 12. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Roy, nakuha ni Roy. Jersey number 2. Foul number 15. First personal foul, warning for penalty. 1 point. Substitution. Sub. 27, 24. Labaw ang ZTZ. Yan, kumukulit ko kita. No good. Jersey number 15. Pass to Istor. No good. Nakuha ang Istor Gyapon. Foul Kulas. Kulas number 6. Penalty. Penalty. No good. Second row. Waiting for rebound. No good. Nakuha jersey number 2. 2 points by jersey number 2. 5 minutes and 16 seconds remaining time. Koke pass to Istor. Oh, Roy napatiran yun. Bula sa ZTZ. Sod. Nana si Johnson 23. Jordan. Hoy, parehag na ang daw si Jungjung o si Ritz. Ritz, pass to John Paul. John Paul, pass to Kulas. 2 points, no good. Nakuha jersey number 15. Nakuha ni pass to Istor. Hoy, out si Cookie. Pre, sikit gud mo bramo now. Ilugi ko nuki. Okay, awa oh. Saan to? Wala pa. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Tiban. No good. Nakuha niya po ni Tiban. Oy.
Napunta na po niya.
Bula sa Duma.
Naunay siya eh.
Tiban pass to jersey number 2. No good. Nakuha ni Istor. Shot clock 12. 10. 9. No good. Nakuha ni Istor Gyapon. No foul. Si foul rep. Si EG 15. Wala.
Son, ay pag-apil na, Son.
Liston, yung liston. Nada liston na saang.
Apil magkarambulas, Tyson.
EG. No good. 3 minutes and 46 seconds remaining time. Istor ready for rebound. No good. Roy. 2 points. Time out Lamisa sa kay na nagdugo. Kita ti foul.
Day wife song adong.
Kita ti 15 gyapon. Katon 15. Si EJ may na foul. Si kanang usay.
Ayan.
Second personal foul. Penalty. Penalty ref. Back to the ball. Game. 3 minutes and 24 seconds remaining time. 1 point by Roy. Score 29-27. Labaw ang Dunmak. 2 points by Istor. Kulas. Nakuha ni Jongjong. Pass to Roy. Roy, pass to Tiban. Tiban, 2 points by Tiban. Who's foul ref? Foul Kulas. Second personal foul. Penalty. Time out na ikaw mo. Wala. Star. To Roy. Shot clock 10. Foul. Who's foul ref? Si foul ref. Si number 2. Pila na iyang kwan? 27. First personal foul penalty.
Magbago ka.
Time out ZTZ. So, pila? 27. Rebound. 2 points. Tingui. Ohe. Pass to Tyron. Pass to 101. Pass to 0-0. Ipoy. Shot clock 10. 2 points by Ipoy. Istor. Pass to Roy. Roy. Pass to Tiban. 2 points by Tiban. 29-37. Oras, 1 minute and 38 seconds remaining time. Istor, 2 points by Istor. Ipoy. Ngita kapsaan. Pass to Taron. Oh. 3-6. Pila to? 3 seconds? Oh, 8. Sorry. Bula sa Dunmak. 29-39. Labaw ang Dunmak. O foul si Kuan. Triple 1. Pat din na niya sentries daw na. Third personal foul. Penalty. No good. Substitution. GTZ. 37 seconds remaining time. Kulas to Tingui. No good. Nakuha ni Istor. Nakuha ni Tyron. 2 points by Tyron. Ang oras. 20 seconds remaining time. Roy. Wak masud. Nakuha ni Ipoy. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the second quarter. 31-39. Labaw ang Dunmak. Johnson. Pass to Roy. Roy. Pass to EJ. AJ. Tingui. Foul Istor. Third personal foul. First team foul. Dunmak. Kulas. Nakuha ni Roy. Pass to Istor. Istor. 2 points by Istor. 41-31. Labaw ang Dunmak. Ipoy. Pass to Tingui. Tingui. No good. Nakuha ni Roy. Pass to Jungjong. Roy. 2 points by pila score. Jungjong. 2 points by Jungjong. Kulas. Pass to Roy. 2 points. Time out. ZTZ. 8 Bulas, ZTZ. Ting Uhe, pass to 15. Pass to AJ. AJ, no good. Nakuha ng Star. Star, foul C. Ting Uhe, 22. Second personal foul. First team foul, ZTZ. Jongjong pass to Roy. Roy. Na jersey number 2, no good. Nakuha ni Roy. Roy. 2 points by Roy. Ting away. Pass to out ball. Bulas and Dusma. 30. Substitution. 11-11. 1-1-1. 7 minutes and 45 seconds remaining time. Jongjong. Bula sa ZTZ. Ang mga set. Jersey number 15. Foul. Pila? Number 2. Foul number 2. Second personal foul. Second team foul. Don't map. 31-49. Jersey number 15. Pass to jersey. Oh! Pila foul. Third personal foul. Third team foul. Dunmak. $31-49. No good. Second row. Ready for rebound. 31-49. Oh. Yes, sir. Wala. Wala. Ting away. Oh. Foul T-Ban. First personal foul. Warning for penalty. 6 minutes and 30 seconds remaining time. Ipoy. Pass to Kulot. Jongjong. 2 points by Jongjong. Kulot. Pass to number 4. Kulot again. Oh. Foul. T-Ban. Second personal foul. Penalty. 5 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. 51-31. Labaw ang Dunmak. No good. Ready for rebound. Kulot. Wow, masod. Nakuha ni Roy. Pass to Storm. 2 points by Storm. 5 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. Ipoy. Pass to Storm. Nagmamadali nilutot. No goal. Pass to Ipoy. Pass to jersey number 15. Jersey number 15. Nakuha ni Ting Uwe. Kuha ni Ting Iron. Out Tyron. Foul number Storm. Warning for foul out. Storm. First row. Yes, sir. 32-53. Ready for rebound. Pikas daw Kulot. 2 points by Tyron. Jongjong. Kuha jersey number 2. 2 points by jersey number 2. 4 minutes and 20 seconds remaining time. King away pass to out ball. Bula sa ZTZ. Ting away. Pass to Kulot. Pass to Tyron. Kita kapasahan. Nakuha ni Storm. Foul Tyron. Warning for foul out Tyron. Warning. Jongjong. Jong Jong. No good. Oy, Bula. Sa. Bula Dunmak. Jong Jong. 2 points by jersey number 15. Oh, jersey number 15. Shot clock 12. Kolot, pass to Tingoy. No good. Jersey number 2. Pass to Jungjong. Pass to Istor. Istor. Yes, sir.
John!
Number 22. 3 minutes and number 15. Pass to Kolot. Kolot na palakan. Ito ang Jungjong. 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining time. Estor. 2 points by Estor. Ting away. Ting away. 2 points by Ting away. Roy. Ramasud. Nakuha ang jersey number 15. 15. Kolot. Kolot. Pass to number 15. 2 points by number 15. Score 37 si 61. 2 points by Tyrone. 2 minutes and 2 seconds remaining time. Paul Ipoy. Third personal foul, third team foul. Substitution. GTZ. 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining time. Ang score 39-64, labaw ang Dunmak. Ritz. Nagdasa Bula. Pass to Nita Kapasan. Pass to kanang Tiban. Wow! 2 points by Tiban. 66-39. 1 minute and 20 seconds remaining time. Nakuha ang Ting away. Wow! Pass to number 15. 2 points by number 15. 41-66. Storm. Pass to Tiban. Wow! Ang mato ng Jongjong. Foul number 0. Warning for foul out. Warning for penalty. 50 seconds remaining time. Gisab.
Ay.
Sub Engine Heart Laureto. 1 point by Jongjong. Kolot. 67-41. Jongjong nasud usa. 1 point ra. Double dribble. 4 ball, 5 ball, 6 ball. Double by Ritz. 16 seconds. 15, 14, 13. 2 points by Tiban. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. End of the third quarter. Ang score 41-69. Hoy, kinsa mo kan retimer, wala ko'y kauban.
Ni bundak ang uwan.